everyone, welcome back to Eli's Imagination Station, and today we are doing Harold the Turkey Repair. Well, that's just the name I picked out for him. I got this one a couple of years ago at Flea Market. It's called the Old Chicken Farm, and it worked fine when I got it. Everything worked. The cheeks lit up. He sang the song. This part worked. This part worked. But then, when I got him out for Thanksgiving, yes, I know he's a Christmas turkey, but I only had one Thanksgiving singing toy. It was a bouncing turkey. Sang Turkey in the Straw. And so I brought out this one, and like all of the ones I've seen over YouTube that have this movement, after a while the head just goes up a little bit, just up and down. It's supposed to go all the way up. And on Thanksgiving, whenever it would go all the way up, it would like shake, like the gears were slipping. Now the motor is buzzing on that. You see the cheeks light up. That part works. See, you hear the motor buzzing. And it's from Dandy. So, let's get in. Person who will be fixing this turkey. I think that one is glued on.
Yeah, I think so.
Fun fact, they actually make one that sings Jingle Bells too. And they have one with a guitar that sings Feliz Navidad. And they actually make a Thanksgiving version. Those are the new batteries we just put in him today because the old batteries were bad. They were in him for a couple of years. I'm not sure if they were bad because
really glued.
Because the button, we just gotta kind of press a couple of times.
Yeah.
Are we gonna take out one of the batteries so it doesn't do anything?
Not yet. I was just taking the battery pack off.
Battery cover.
Yeah. There.
Yeah, so like always, we don't take the button out of the hands. But this one, we won't be able to get the head out all the way either.
Yeah, we'll see. He might have wires running up there, so.
He does, because the cheeks light up.
Yeah, so we might be able to get it out. Just the wires just might.
There's a sticker.
Yep, Q7.
Q7.
That's what it says, Q7.
Yep. Oh, sticker fell out.
Oh, there's
Q7.
the back. That's sewn to the back of
His head?
his head.
Oh no!
Yeah, there's just wires running up to his cheek.
Yep. Oh, cheeks. They both light up.
Yeah.
He doesn't have one cheek. Oh yeah, I should have seen this mechanism before. No, with or without fur, she did a penguin.
Oh, she did.
Mm-hmm. They should have that same movement. They should have the hand with the button in it.
He's got a tall.
Mechanism.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, because it's got kind of a long neck, and everything that's animated goes into the neck. The cheeks lighting up, head going up and down, that's the part we're fixing, and the side-to-side part. Everything is happening in the head.
Go get me those scissors, buddy.
Scissors! Scissors!
It's sewn right there.
And if you guys didn't know, this is how you should safely give somebody scissors.
Mm-hmm.
Hold the silver part, or whatever color the sharp part is hold it away from them.
Yeah.
Hold the safe.
Yeah. You hand them the handle part.
Yes.
That's the best way to do it.
There's a wasp.
There is.
Yep, he's drinking some of the sugar water.
Yeah, well,
Oh, and then a hummingbird.
so the hummingbirds will chase him away because they're not afraid of anybody.
Well, that's not. No, the wasp is still there. He's on the other one now. Wasp was on there, and then the hummingbird came and tried to scare him away, but he scared the hummingbird away.
Mm-hmm.
And now the wasp is on the other one.
There we go. Alright.
That goes into the cheeks.
So that's the cheeks and the hand. Is what, there's the wires.
Press the button.
2 wires going to the cheeks.
Are we gonna take the bag off?
Yeah, we will to get to it.
What does it do?
Yeah, so something's supposed to make this go up. Something's supposed to pull that back.
I never thought I'd see this one without the skin off, since it worked fully when I got it, but it's just something with this kind of a mechanism, because I've noticed all of them that I've seen on YouTube, they have this mechanism to like a duck one with my goggles on, to a penguin.
So
Yep,
this
that's the
part
same.
works.
Yeah, that's the same
So
mechanism.
it's whatever's inside here isn't working.
I think it's just one of the gears popped out. It's
Probably.
It's just something
Hopefully.
with that mechanism. It says all of them I've seen on YouTube, they're like really old. The head just goes up a little bit, not all the way. Hummingbird doesn't notice, but the wasp is on the side of the hummingbird feeder. I don't think the hummingbird noticed though. Oh, there's another one chasing
We're
away.
gonna have to take this off. I'd rather not take that whole mechanism out. I don't have to.
You don't?
I said I'd rather not.
But you have to.
I don't know yet. We'll find out. I'd like to just, it'd be nice if we could just open the side here.
If you guys are new to my channel, or like
I dropped a screw.
seeing any of the Singing Toy repairs that I've told you this, I can do Elmo's voice.
Yeah.
Oh, Elmo. No video editing
There
needed for
Yep.
that. That is my voice.
That is your voice, yeah. Well,
Do you think we can get this apart?
I was hoping we wouldn't have to take this, or at least gonna have to take this off. Are you watching hummingbirds, or are you gonna talk to your YouTube crowd?
Elmo's got a YouTube crowd? I thought he
No,
had
Eli does.
Elmo had a Sesame Street crowd. A Big Bird Cookie Monster. Oscar the Grouch. Even though he doesn't really like anything but the trash. So we do have to take that whole mechanism out?
Yeah, I think so. And take the back off at least. I can.
If you think you can, then we know you can.
So they got all that glue where they glue the wires in.
Look at Elmo.
The board and everything is right there. There we go.
Oh, there we go.
Alright, all 4 of those screws are out. So we don't lose them. There. I just want to take that off so I can get to this a little better. So there's a. Ooh, that's got a weight in it.
Why does it have a weight in it?
A little magnet.
A magnet?
I think that's what it is. Okay, now maybe we can take this apart.
Why does it have a giant weight in it? Elmo wonders why Harold the Turkey's mechanism has a weight on top of his battery pack. Wow! I don't understand.
Probably because he moves around so much so he doesn't fall over. It'd be smart if they did that to more of them.
Yeah.
But they don't.
A lot of these Elmo toys fall over. Even when they're supposed to. Like Tia next Tickle Me Elmo.
Is he supposed to fall over?
Yeah. He's like, it's supposed to be down there. And fall over. Wow! Elmo almost fell over. Just imagine this being Elmo. So that has an Elmo voice. They're tickled Elmo.
Well, I want that to stay in there. Pull down.
That's not good.
There, I want it to stay in that side.
Elmo's vibrating.
What?
Elmo's vibrating.
Almost vibrating. What are you talking about?
Elmo is vibrating.
Okay, I don't know what you're talking about, but okay.
Vibrating is another word for shaking.
I know what it means. I just don't know what you're talking about.
Elmo.
Okay.
Elmo is shaking.
Alright.
Elmo. For the video, Elmo.
I thought for the video you were Eli, since it's Eli's Imagination Station.
Wow, Elmo taking over Eli's Imagination Station. Release this episode. La 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 la, la 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 la. It's Elmo's Imagination Station. La 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 la, la 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 la. Elmo's Imagination Station. Oh, that's neat. That's how that is. So just those 2 gears to be on the yellow one, it's just not moving. Ah! But yeah, I'm on the imagination.
Yep.
What's gonna happen? Nope.
So this gear is spinning. The first gear is spinning.
And the
This
second
gear is spinning.
And then
And then this gear.
it's broken?
What? It looks like there's no teeth on it.
What?
See that part? There's little chunks of plastic in there. Yeah, that's the teeth. See how that's just smooth around?
What?
There's supposed to be teeth on it, so it turns this gear. But they don't work,
Oh.
because they're all gone. Go get me a paper towel, please. Clean off all these old teeth. They were all ground off.
So the one here just must be very careful
Well, no, it probably just old and
Well, because remember, like I said, all of the ones that have that mechanism,
they just break. Yeah.
Yeah, that exact same movement just always breaks. But now,
Oh, that fell on the floor, but
there's a paper towel over there.
okay.
La 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 la. Armor's imagination
Cleaning up
station.
all those old gears,
La 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 la.
the old teeth, and that gear that busted. Put that gear back in,
Imagination station.
and I'll put this gear back in.
Imagine's friend. And of course it's goldfish.
There.
Armor's
Then we
imagination
need to go through our gears.
I get to go through the gears. I don't want to go through the gears.
And don't. I'll do it.
Or you asked me to do it.
No, I said now we'll get to go through the gears. See, there's all the teeth.
Oh my goodness. What?
See all of that?
That's
All of those other things? Those are the
Yeah.
teeth
So this gear is just
off of that gear.
a gummy. It's like that gear is a gummy.
See the piece in the middle?
I don't
That's supposed to have all these little teeth on it. But they're all ground off, so it's just round.
That's our
So we gotta find a new one.
Because that's the only gear that was yellow. As well. So that one.
Yeah, that's just, some are yellow, some are white, some are off-white.
Yeah,
Alright, let's see what we can find.
that gear is just very badly designed.
Yeah, it must be.
Because all the way with that mechanism, it starts where it just goes up and down a little bit. And
That
then
one doesn't have an inner
starts
gear.
shifting. And
That's
then
big, that's big, that's big.
Help! I'm gonna help you.
Tell Alma to take a break.
Where's this one?
No, that's round. It's gotta have teeth in the middle.
Oh,
That one's round. Ooh, that one.
that one looks perfect.
Maybe. It might be a little bit big. I want to make sure we got the right size this time. Remember,
Yeah.
the last one we did was just a little bit too big. And then everything got jammed up. We had to take it all back apart again. I don't want to have to do that again.
Ooh, I'm gonna have an
Ooh,
idea.
that one's.
I think that.
I think that one might be perfect.
I'm gonna have an idea.
Yeah, hold on.
We put them next to each
That's
other.
what I'm doing. Kind of lining them up.
Right behind each other.
So this one is too big.
Too big. That one's not one. That one too big too, I think. I might think the one on the top is too big too.
I think this one. That one's close, but we're gonna make sure that one's too big.
Because that one came from another singing toy. I think that one came,
Oh yeah.
I think that one
So
came
we
from
might
another
have two that are kind of that size, huh? Yeah, because that is from different.
I think it's from the Gambler dog. Cause we had
Yeah,
to.
here's another one.
Yeah,
I don't know how big. I bet you it's.
Because we had to take out.
This one, the inside gear is bigger. We got a couple of those. It's none of these ones. Now I got the Elmo's World song stuck in my head.
No, it's not Elmo's World today.
Hmm?
The song is called Elmo's World today.
Oh, I thought it was called Elmo's World.
It has been for years. But just for this one particular day, it's not.
Yeah, I'll leave those over there, but I'm almost positive it's this one.
Let's see what happens.
push down in there. And then I'll hold them in place while it's going. Because the lid's not on, so I gotta hold them down. Alright, you wanna push the button, bud? That's just because the lid's not on, so it keeps sliding up. Once I get it put back together, the other lid should hold it down. There's another two pieces of that. Pieces of old busted up gear all over the place. Yeah, a lot of singing going on today.
Christmas and a happy new year. Good tidings will be to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy new year. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a happy new year.
Well, Harold the Turkey is probably going to be upset you're not paying attention to him. You're just singing Elmo.
I'm paying attention to him.
Wow.
I'm just singing Elmo too. I've got We Wish You a Merry Christmas stuck in my head.
Yes, I do. Someone was singing it.
Elmo was.
Why is Elmo singing Christmas songs in August?
Why are we fixing a Christmas turkey in August?
Because he's broken and it's August. So this is when he gets fixed.
Exactly. I can sing Christmas music in August if I want.
That's true, I guess.
And my mom can put up a Christmas tree in the middle of August too if she wants.
Nope.
Like she used to do.
I don't think Mommy ever put the Christmas tree up in August.
Did you, Mommy?
Not in August.
When was it?
November. She used to put it up before Thanksgiving. Okay, let's see what happens now.
Tis the season to be jolly, la 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 I'm always having fun singing Deck the Halls with Harold the Turkey.
Yeah. Well, Harold will sing it again, don't worry. We'll test them more times.
Woo! I'm so excited. You guys been thinking on how much you need to get an Elmo puppet.
Don't you have an Elmo?
I said Elmo puppet.
Oh, you don't have an Elmo puppet?
No.
You got a ton of Elmo singing toys, though, huh?
Yes, do you like Sickle Me Elmo, Hokey Pokey Elmo, Let's Rock Elmo, Jingle Bells Elmo.
What's the first Elmo you had?
Big Hugs Elmo.
Big Hugs Elmo? That's what he's called.
I used to have one with hats. One with a pirate hat, a cowboy hat, the crown, a king hat. Oh no! I forgot! I've been King Elmo!
That's the one you got rid of, though, right?
Yeah.
That one.
And the Tickle Me Elmo.
You got rid of Tickle Me Elmo?
Yeah, remember the one that just vibrated? That was the newer version. Actually, the first ever talking Elmo toy was Tickle Me Elmo.
Yeah.
It was made in 1996. That's almost as old as Elmo is.
Is it? How old is it?
I think Elmo 44.
44. Jeez.
But Elmo don't really pay attention to his real age because everybody always calls me 3.5. Because that's how old I am in the show. Just like.
Oh, in the show he's 3.5.
Yep.
There we go. There we go.
Eli was trying to Google it, kept saying 3.5. We're like, Elmo is not 3.5 years old.
No.
What am I doing with his eyebrows?
I don't know. I'm not watching Elmo. I'm watching this. I'm trying to
Or Elmo
get
is
snap
here.
back together.
Elmo isn't here. Just
Oh.
Elmo's face.
Oh.
Ah.
There. All right.
Oh, we're gonna test it again.
No, put these screws back in.
Don't you think we should test it before we do that? Because you can hold it together.
Yeah.
Once we get all those screws back in.
Then we'll test them again.
Woo!
And we gotta put them back together.
Yes.
And re-glue them.
Yes. Okay, I'm gonna press the button. I'm
Okay.
gonna press the button.
Stars of Holly, la 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 la. It's the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Start when I was about, la 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 la.
You can see the cheeks lighting up.
La 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 la.
Alright, we just gotta put them back in the skin.
Oh my goodness, that sounds creepy.
And glue them
That'll never
back, glue
happen
the
to
bottom
Elmo.
back on.
That'll never happen to Elmo, will it?
I don't think so.
Hold on.
What?
Elmo have to look. I am in the repair cabinet.
What?
Elmo is in the repair cabinet. I won't get into this skin cut off. What's wrong with me? His feathers messed up.
Feathers.
His feathers are messed up. I have to resew his feathers.
Resew his feathers, what are you talking about?
His feathers are down. They're supposed to be.
Oh yeah.
They're supposed to be.
How'd that happen? Oh, that was probably what was, when I cut that one thing inside, it must have cut that. We'll sew that back up.
Yeah.
That'll be an easy
Yeah.
stitch and fix.
Six dolls with stars of holly, la 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 la. It's the season to be
Yeah, that's supposed to work?
la 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 la. Start when I was gay apparel, la 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 la. TonyandChicky.com, la 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 la.
There we go.
Here, pause it for a second. I'll go get my glue and my thread. And sew them back together.
Even though Elmo is ready for this.
Okay. So now it works.
So do you guys know the Let's Rock Elmo? Well,
Now we're gonna.
when the video was paused, I went, Elmo's gonna rock, not quite yet. But then I'll be like, then I said, I'm feeling music.
Use this for a while.
Dancing to my beat. I said, 1, 2, 3, 4. Apparently, Emma is gonna rock now. Emma wish we cut that on video. La 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 la. Emma's wrong. La 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 la. Emma's wrong. Emma loves his
This is just fabric glue.
his grand too. That's Emma's wrong.
Maybe a new one of these.
We're not gonna use super glue.
No, I was going to use this because it works better for this sort of stuff, but it might be too old.
The silicone.
Yeah, no, this is textile adhesive. Go get me the super glue, I'll use that.
Super glue.
This stuff's dried out, I have to get some new stuff.
Did you somebody's rings back up?
No? Give me the glue. That's fine. Yes. They're both the same. Yes. I will. And glue them first.
No, didn't know. Emma's question was, are you gonna sew his feathers back on before we do it?
No.
Because then we'd have to wait for the glue to dry.
We're still going to have to wait for the glue to dry. Takes it a while to. Well, come on. Takes it a while to get down to the bottom.
Actually, technically that's the top. Wow.
Why is it not? This one ain't dried up too, is it? Yeah, go get me the other one just to be safe, just because this one is not coming out.
Nothing's coming out?
No, there it's starting to.
As soon as Emma gets the other super glue.
This one must be just getting really low.
We got a new nest coming.
So there's glue on that. And just gonna pull it over. So the front half is glued. Flip them like this. Pull them back. Put some glue on this side.
I'm gonna come find our guest, but oh no. Our guest is taking me over. Ah! Oh, I'm at Kiana now. Can you guys see me?
I'm sure they can. There. All glued up. Oh yeah, they can see them.
Let's turn on Big Hexama so I can see what he does. This is the first one I got, the Big Hexama. Wait for the back to go up. He has
There.
off mode, play mode, and sleep mode.
Off mode, play mode, and sleep mode, huh?
Huh?
I was just repeating what you said.
Oh, I'm allowed to repeating people. What is in your lip wound? Oh, there's a monkey's
Okay.
paw when you talk.
Squeeze that nice, tight,
Let's see your chocolate.
and we'll put a rubber band around it.
A rubber band.
Yep. Why do you think we put the rubber band around it?
So it'll stay down.
Yep. To hold it.
Yeah. We used to
the
do
fabric nice and tight
that. While the glue is
to
drying.
the plastic while the glue is drying.
Mhm.
And then all we got left to do now
Let's
is fix that.
Mhm.
His
And then
tail
you-
feathers fell down.
Mhm. And then let's go to play mode on Big Hug Demo. Now, what if his arms don't work?
Yeah. He's been hugged up.
Elmo loves Elmo too. And Elmo loves getting hugs from you too. Can I really hug? So only the one arm goes? I love on how the like kids' toys Elmo, they like always put the speaker up in the head.
Elmo loves you too.
That's to make it sound like he's actually talking.
Huh?
The speaker's in his head, so it sounds like he's actually talking. The voice is coming from his head. Ribbit. He's a frog.
He's imagining. Elmo's imagining he's a
I
frog.
always imagine he's a frog.
You just need to squeeze the foot.
Now he's a rabbit.
Pretend it isn't. Then press it again. Oh, astronauts. Listen to that. What should we imagine now? Are we gonna dance? On a horse?
Clippity clop.
Going for a while. As you can see, I'm pretty big. I want to do the dance.
I'm surprised he hadn't played the song yet.
So you-
There it goes.
Last time
That's a different song.
yeah, he does a couple of songs.
Alright, I think this guy's done, bud.
You think so?
Yep. Want to do a final test with him?
Yeah. I'm gonna do. Thank you, Rama.
You can push the button.
Yeah.
Sing songs with sounds of holly, la 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 la. It's the season to be jolly, la 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 la. Stop when our gay apparel, la 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 la. Go to that carol, la 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 la.
There it is. That's it for Harold the Turkey Repair.
I want the turkey. Well, there we go. Oh,
Bye.
I was doing the song.
Oh, you want to do the song first?
To make you feel special. So hug someone you love. To show you care. Put your arms around them and hold them close.